Hi moms! Pumping doesn't have to be stressful. Let's do it together step by step. Start by washing your hands and making sure all pump parts are clean. Sit in a calm space where you feel relaxed. Take a few deep breaths, it really helps milk flow. Attach the breast shield carefully, making sure it seals properly. Turn the pump on at a gentle setting, then slowly increase to a comfortable level. Pump for about 15 minutes on each breast or until the flow slows. When you're done, pour the milk into storage containers, label them, and clean your pump parts. Remember, the key is calm, comfort, and consistency.